Yo, what's up guys? Jack Tones here, and today in this video I'm going to be doing an iPhone 14 unboxing and review. So I've just taken delivery from it. My man Giovanni delivering the goods from DPD. So we've got the iPhone 14 in there, and we've got the returns pack in there from EE when I trade in my iPhone 12 Pro for the iPhone 14. So in this video, obviously I'm going to unbox it, and then I'm going to set it up, and then we're going to go out and use the iPhone 14 for what I usually use a phone for, which is content creation, and see if it lives up to my expectations. So stick around for this video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get straight into it. So let's go. Right, well, for starters, the returns pack, you don't need to see that side of things. I'll deal with that at another time. So the iPhone 14, let's unbox this thing. It's always exciting new phone day, isn't it? It's like kid at Christmas. EE, all the EE stuff. Yeah. What we got? Yeah, all that good stuff. There she is, the iPhone 14 in all its glory. So, yeah, standard iPhone packaging. I believe the iPhone 12 came in something similar, which actually I have in my pocket. So the iPhone 12 Pro is actually it's in full working order, and it's actually nothing wrong with it, didn't really need to, but the upgrade was there, the option was there, so I took it. Why not? So yeah, going from the 12 Pro, oh I can't do that. Take that peeling off. Yeah guys, so if you get a new phone, you can't just shake it out like that, as I've just found out. Oh, there's two. You have to take them both off. There we go, we're learning straight away. There we go, there she is. So in the top is obviously the new phone, the iPhone 14. Is it? I think I went for the midnight. I think that's midnight. The colour on the back, so there you go guys, there she is, the iPhone 14. Don't know if that focused or not, but take the protective cover off. But yeah, I mean, you all know what an iPhone looks like. Stoked on the colour, looks sick. Yeah, sweet. Sweet. But obviously visually, between the 12 and the 14, size wise, oh, is the 14 slightly bigger? They're the same. Size wise, they're exactly the same. If you can see that, is it focusing? So we've got the 12 here, we've got the 14 here. Sizing is exactly the same. So that's the 12 Pro, that's the 14. But the only visual difference besides the colour is obviously the cameras. So the 12 Pro has got 3 cameras. Oh, is it focusing? I can't tell. But 14 only has 2. So I hope it's good, basically. And then inside, obviously, you've got your charging cable. Yeah, sweet. And then your standard Apple terms, conditions, manuals, SIM card tool, and a sticker. Who doesn't love a sticker? Which will probably actually go on the back of my Mac. So, and yeah guys, so in regards to unboxing, that is all there is to it really. It's as simple as that. They can go back in there. So that can go back in there. We'll sort that out when it comes to setting the phone up. First impression, iPhone 14. Weighs the same. Looks the same. Front cameras are the same. Yeah. Nothing's different other than the cameras. So, and the colour. Which one do you guys prefer? What colour? So obviously I've got space grey iPhone 12 and I've got midnight iPhone 14. Well, I haven't got that for much longer actually. I'll need to trade that in so I can use this one. I just hope that it was a good trade. So that's the iPhone 14 unboxed, guys, and I'm now going to go set it up and then we're going to go and hit the streets and see what bad boy content we can get with the iPhone 14. I know a few tips and tricks from watching other people's videos on the iPhone 14, so I'm going to go and apply them to myself and put them in this video, and yeah, hopefully you can learn something along the way, and if you're looking at getting an iPhone 14, it's helpful for you guys to know. So that being said, I'll see you guys on the other side. New phone, which so far is super easy. You just got to have them next to each other. And last time I set up a phone I did it manually, and this is the quick start, so let's see how it goes. No point filming this, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So now we are in the city. I've got the iPhone 14 set up, ready to go, but first of all I need to go and get a case, because knowing my luck, the worst could happen and I don't want it to happen. So first up we're going to go get a case, and then the second part of this video is actually going to be me comparing the footage from the iPhone 14 versus the footage from the GoPro Hero 10. And in the comments below let me know which you prefer, because there's some new settings on this that I haven't been able to use. It's not been on the iPhone 12, so I'm keen to have a play around with the cinematic section, and there is also an action shot setting, which is ideal because I've got the bike with me, so that's what we're going to be filming. We're going to go through the city and we're going to film a bunch of cool shit that I want you guys to let me know which you prefer. Do you prefer the GoPro or do you prefer the iPhone 14? Because I've got high hopes for the iPhone 14. I mean, I'm no cinematography guru dude, I just like to film cool shit. But yeah, that being said guys, let's go get a case before I drop this thing. so that is a wrap. That is my video comparison from the GoPro Hero 10 as opposed to the iPhone 14. So none of the settings have been changed. The GoPro Hero 10 vlogging settings, what I normally film in, is 4K super wide and 60 frames per second, and the iPhone 14 was filmed in the cinematic setting, whatever comes as standard. I didn't change anything. I'm just saying that the iPhone 14 is absolutely amazing. I'm really impressed with the quality. Literally, it's getting dark right now. Hopefully you can see me, but also like vlogging with a phone. So I'm filming this clip on iPhone 14 right now, and I can't tell if I'm aiming it in the right direction or not. Hopefully I'm pointing it at my face because I'm used to the GoPro, you see, so I kind of know the angles. But yeah, always fun times cruising the city on the BMX, so absolutely love it. The weather's getting warmer, bliss. But yeah, so guys, that is my new iPhone 14 phone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, obviously, if you haven't already. I love each and every single one of you that support this channel. I'm going to keep on pushing with the content, hopefully keep on improving it. Hopefully the iPhone 14 contributes towards that. So that being said, guys, full send. See you in the next video.